Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently, Petron has launched the two products. So one is the Petron Pulse Fit P261 and then F121. So it is a smartwatch and a smart band. Well, in this video, we are going to see about the smartwatch. So this is a new product from the brand Petron. In general, Petron is a brand will launch the more Bluetooth earbud related products in the more aggressive price segment. And similarly, this time they have launched the smartwatch and then smart band in the very aggressive price segment. It is almost equal to the Bluetooth earbud price segment. So normally a Bluetooth earbud will be priced for rupees 1000 to 1500 around for a budget segment, and for that price segment they also bring this smartwatch, but at the same time they fulfill the maximum features, and in design is also it's so good. I have actually using this product for the past 2 to 3 days. So based on my experience in this video, I'm going to share its unboxing and how to connect and my first experience. Well, let's get started into this video, guys. Well guys, now this is the Petron smart band and smartwatch. In this video we are going to see about the smartwatch. So this is a Petron Pulse Fit P261 smartwatch, and this is the package. And after opening the package, there is only a needed accessories like so the smartwatch will be actually given, and then this is the smartwatch charging connector. So using this you need to charge the smartwatch. So as you see in here, so here is the connector. So just point this pin to this smartwatch connector, and like this you have to place. And then at the opposite side you will get a type A port. So you have to just insert this to your power bank or any other USB source. For the first time you have to connect this with the power source, then only the smartwatch will be actually boot. And apart from these two major things, you will not get more in the box. Now moving on to its physical overview. So first of all, let's see the strap material. So this strap is actually made of a silicone material, and it is also very flexible and very smooth. So while you're wearing a smartwatch, you will feel that flexibility and smoothness on wearing, and at the same time wearing is also too good. And after that, at the opposite end, so this is the lock pin. So it is actually made of in SS material, stainless steel. And apart from that, now the main module, so this is a smartwatch module. It is actually built on aluminum, so fully it is made of aluminum, and the display is actually 2.5D glass. So as you see here at the corners, you will get a curved glass material, and at the same time this display comes with a 1.54 inch of IPS LCD display, and it is a touch screen display. It's a full of touch screen, so you can easily scroll right from the display itself. Also just see the screen to body ratio of this display. So it has a very good screen to body ratio, and it is comes with a 250 to 250 pixel resolution. And on this module at the right side here is a scrollable button, and then a normal click on buttons. And this scrollable button can be used to make the menu button. So while pressing this, you go to the menu, and again pressing this, you'll go to the back option. And this is also a back option and screen lock and screen awake button. So while screen off condition, while press that, so the screen will be awake, and again pressing the screen will be turned off. And also in case if you are in any other option like that means, so by pressing this it goes to the back option. So that is the thing. And on the left side, so here is actually comes with the speaker, and this smartwatch is also comes with the inbuilt microphone. So using this speaker, you can also use this smartwatch as a Bluetooth speaker. In case if you played music in your smartphone means, so once you connected this smartwatch as a Bluetooth speaker, so the music is actually played in the smartwatch itself. And similarly, you can able to attend the calls right from the smartwatch. Also you can dial the number and you can make the calls right from the smartwatch, and also you can able to speak the calls via this smartwatch. So using the speaker and the inbuilt microphone, you can able to speak calls right from this smartwatch itself. So that is a great thing. So at this price segment, it is one of the best thing. Now to connect this smartwatch, you have to install one application in your smartphone. So that is so firstly let's go to the Play Store application, and there just type for a Fit Pro app. I just give the link in the description and in the overlay. So once you have installed this application, just open it, and after that at the home screen you will actually get the option to connect the device. So just tap on that and you can easily able to pair the smartwatch with with this Speed Pro application. So this application is actually used to monitor all your activities so from this smartwatch. So once you have open this application, it will be automatically synchronized with this application, and after that you can able to see all your data like so what is your fingerprint and how much hours you sleep, and then you can able to access some of the features here. And motion in here you can able to make in case if you are fitness related person means you can able to track how much you can able to track the running, walking, or some other fitness activities like that. Then this smartwatch will also work like a Bluetooth speaker, so it has a dedicated Bluetooth name. So once you have connected with your Fit Pro application, and after that just go to the settings, and in the Bluetooth you will get a device called Well Audio. This is the device name of this smartwatch. So this is a Well Audio. It will be automatically ask for you to pair. So once it asks, just to pair this device, and or else you can just go to the Bluetooth setting and search for the available devices. It will be available, and you can also control the usage of the Bluetooth speaker via the option. So here is the option called dual mode. So in the menu button, by going to that, you will have the option dual mode. So now it is currently in the on condition. Once you turned off, so the Well Audio will be automatically disconnected. So that means hereafter you can't able to use this smartwatch as a Bluetooth audio, and you will not able to make you will not able to speak calls via this smartwatch. So this is a dual mode. So once you actually enable the dual mode, so so this smartwatch is actually act as a Bluetooth speaker, and it will be connected to a smartphone directly via Bluetooth. And apart from that, so then this smartwatch basic functions like in the home screen, by just swiping left or right, it actually changes the different watch faces. And then by swiping from the top, so these messages, you will get the latest message will be shown here. And then by swiping from the down, so here is the quick settings option. So you will have some of the quick settings like so this is a dialer option, and then phone book option, and then menu style. So the menu style has a two menu style. One is the list style and then grid view. So list style means you get the menu option in as like a list wise, and then in case grid style means, so by swiping up and then menu style, so if you press the grid style means, so the menus are like in the grid, like it will be looks like a collage. So after you are pressing the menu button, so you can actually drag and you can able to select which app you need or which icon. So based on the scrolling, the app icons will be goes to the bigger, and this is not that much comfortable. So you can better switch to the list style. And in the quick settings, so is a phone book option. You can using the smartwatch, you can able to control the music, and then so you can go to the menu option there by just pressing this option button, and after that this is the menu. So it has a more fitness related things, features, and it has a weather option. In the it can able to view the latest messages and stopwatch, and then music control option, sleep mode, and camera shutter control, and more features. And it has a heart rate sensor. So by tapping that, it is actually measures both heart rate, SpO2, and some more health related activities is also it will be done. And it actually calculates how much steps you have actually taken. So all the details will be actually shown here. Once you actually go to the Fit Pro application, all the data in the smartwatch will be synchronized to the application, and in that application you can able to view all your data and the fitness related details. So we'll talk about more about this smartwatch in the upcoming review video. So in this video I am shared my first impression and what are the features contained in this smartwatch, and its first look, build quality, and how it will be on wearing, and design wise. So all the things we have shared. Well guys, overall that's all about this video guys. Now what are guys thoughts on this Pitron smartwatch? Let me know in the comment section below. And in my point of view, so it is actually already told, so it is very aggressive in price segment, and at the same time Petron is maximum fulfilled all the features in terms of design, build quality, and almost covered all the features as like a smartwatch which is actually priced for rupees 5,000 around price segment. So it is one of the best smartwatch in my point of view, but at the same time there is also some more cons in this Petron smartwatch, but I'll cover this later in a review video. So let's wait for the review video. I'll soon post as possible soon. Well, now that's all about this video, guys. And now what are your guys thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video, guys.